Welcome you all. Today we are going to talk about another idiomatic expression, and that is a hard pill to swallow. Hard pill to swallow, which means something hard or difficult to accept. इसको हम उर्दू में कबूल करना बहुत ही मुश्किल है, यानी कोई ऐसी चीज़, कोई ऐसी बैड न्यूज़ जिसको कबूल करना बहुत मुश्किल हो, वहाँ पे ये हम इडियम यूज़ कर सकते हैं. It is like a tablet which is very hard to swallow. So here is another sentence or situation. When someone receives bad news, it becomes a hard pill to swallow. यानी अगर कोई बैड न्यूज़ किसी को मिलती है तो उसके लिए वो एक्सेप्ट करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. Here is another sentence or situation that my own son could have done something so horrible is a hard pill to swallow. So we have used this idiomatic expression into the sentences a hard pill to swallow.